I was diagnosed with stage 1 melanoma in 2007, and at the time, there were no options for stage 3.
I'm 22 and I had just gotten a stage 4 cancer diagnosis.
When I was first diagnosed almost 6 years ago and have since received that diagnosis 4 times, it's a part of my thoughts at some point of every day.
When we had our call to action back in 2007, our dream was to help find cures for melanoma.
MRA is the largest nonprofit funder of melanoma research and has granted over $100 million in our first 10 years.
Melanoma researchers have really accepted the challenge to make a difference, and how they have come to work together in ways that were not possible before. So MRA has proved to be the catalyst for a lot of interactions that I don't think would have happened otherwise.
It's such an exciting time to be in the melanoma space. There's been more than a dozen new drugs approved in the last decade, and there's no signs of the progress slowing down.
It just feels so wonderful to know that so much is being done so that less people are dying and suffering from this insidious disease.
That's what research means to me ultimately. I think it means hope in a lot of ways.
It's very clear what the goal of MRA is, and that's to cure melanoma.
MRA has accelerated the pace of the research by providing funding to young investigators, established investigators, considering the team science approach, which is, I think, a really terrific model for a multi-institutional collaboration, and particularly transdisciplinary collaborations.
The way that we select our research, we've gathered all of the leading experts in melanoma research across the world to help us with that.
The MRA choose to invest in some of the ideas that I had, and I started my own lab at the University of Virginia, all of which was enabled by the Young Investigator Award from the Melanoma Research Alliance.
Work that we've done that's funded by the MRA has just resulted in an R01 funding that's starting this week, which is just super exciting.
You know, some of the work that we've done may not have even gone forward had it not been for funding through the Melanoma Research Alliance.
You know, what I love about MRA is the fact that it brings people together from very different fields in the melanoma research world, and you're all in one room just seeing the most amazing cutting-edge research.
I think when we bring all these researchers from around the world to work on this problem, we're going to get answers.
Meeting patients and seeing them and telling them about the progress and seeing it real time where we are changing people's lives is profound.